Hi. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, you're so sweet babies. You're so sweet babies. Hi. Hi there. Hi, my little babies. These are my girls. And they're getting so big. Yeah. And if you come out here and give them lots of love and attention, then they'll grow up where they love you and they'll let you pet them. So if you raise chickens, make sure you spend a lot of time with them when they're little. And then when they get older, you'll be able to pick them up and love on them. So if you pick them up every day, give them lots of love, then they'll be super friendly when they get older, and then you can hold them and love them, and they'll follow you around for food. So love your chickens.